Let your comment. Good morning, welcome to Studio 40. Let's comment share this video because this is amazing. Today I have new update, a big update for iPhone 12 Pro Max, my friend. Can you see this? This is iOS 17.1. Look at the size. One gigabyte. Can you see this? Wow, this update introduces the ability for airdrop transfer to continue over internet or something. So that there are more new updates about this. You can see everything here. Look at that. Can you see this? Wow, not bad. More update for everything, as you can see here. I feel that we need to update this thing. It's very important also. So let me do this. Let me enter my passcode and start downloading this update. Can you see this, bro? Can you imagine? Update requested. Can you imagine? And this is what I'm talking about. Okay, with few minutes for finishing of this downloading, the process started. Okay, preparing update. The process continue. As you can see, I have 94% of battery. Nice. Let's see more available RAM right now with either 64 memory. Let's see what I have right now. 522 megabytes. Wow, do you believe this? Damn. Okay, so wait a few minutes for finishing everything. After this session process will start, and after you need to wait for the finishing. As you can see, how the process started. So we need to wait together. Okay, iPhone 12 Pro Max is here. Okay, wait a few minutes for finishing this selection. Okay, so update process finishing. As you can see, your phone has been updated to iOS 17.7.1. Okay, as you can see, I'm back. Okay, this is how it looks like. Can you see this? Let's see. That's 64 again. Memory. As you can see, our 110 megabytes. I need to restart this phone. Before doing this, let's check for new update again, and this will be last update what now. Okay, no problem. Let's restart this phone, volume up and power button at the same time. To do this, power off. Now, what can you do? Turn on this phone right now. Press power button. Nice. Nice. Let me enter my passcode. Nice. Okay. As you can see. Nice. Enter 64. Let's see Barbara. I have Bimbo. Look at that. This is nice. 1306 megabytes. This is cool, bro. This is very, very nice. Okay, look at how it look like right now. Wow, this is why I recommend you to restart your phone after big update. Nice. General software information. iOS 17.1. It's very, very new. It's very, very optimized something. I don't know. Can you see this? Not bad. Let's see lock screen. As you can see, Face ID is still fast. Always fast with Face iOS with iPhone. Nice. No problem. Okay. What do you want to see again? I don't know. But for me, it's cool. Nice. See all of my games right now. Maybe I will make gaming test of this new update try to see if it's good, but I can feel that it's very smooth now. It's really, really smooth. This is 68 68 iPhone 12 Pro Max, and it's really very, very smooth now. Okay, thank you for watching. Say to me what you think about this. Is it a good update or not? I don't know, but I want to test this and see if it's good and something. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and get ready for more videos. Thank you.